Hi, Andy Amrine with your Handy Andy tip of the day. Today we're talking about furnace filters. And they're not just furnaces, they're your HVAC filter, whether it's air conditioning or furnace. These are the device that help your furnace or air conditioner to keep clean itself. So the way your filters work, this is a pleated filter. The air is blown through it and it traps all that dirt as it's going through the pleats of the filter itself. But think of it, if this gets too dirty, it'd be like you wearing a face mask that is totally caked in dirt, mud, and grime. You're not going to be able to breathe through that filter. And if you have a dirty filter, now your furnace is not going to breathe through that dirty filter itself. So if you want to keep your furnace running at the optimum performance, keep the filters clean. And there's different grades of filters, whether you change it every month, every 3 months, every 6 months. That all depends on the type of filter you have. But changing this filter is critical for the operation of the filter, the motors, the furnace, but also keeping your house clean. Think of it, if this is caked dirt, then you're just blowing more dirt and more dirt and more dirt through your house, plus that motor's working so hard to push the air through a dirty filter. That's why it's so critical, and it's really just a quick, simple open up the door, you pull the filter out, you slide the new one in, you close the door back up, and there's always an arrow on every filter showing the way the air is blowing, going into the furnace and so forth with it. So you want the airflow following the arrow itself. But let's give you another little tip on keeping your house healthy. There's a product called Bactrikill. Bactrikill is a totally safe way of killing germs. And this is something that's been out for a while. We use it all the time to spray on your cell phones, your doorknobs, your kitchen counters, every surface itself to kill germs. Now think of this, you're spraying it on your filter, and I spray my filter once a month. Even though I have a 6-month filter, I spray this on every single month, and what this does, it continues to kill the germs as the air is flowing into your furnace and in throughout your house itself. So why don't you want to kill the germs constantly as that air circulates through the house itself? There's a good residual time on this Bactrikill as you're spraying it. So you spray the filter, and as the air is traveling into that and through the filter, the Bactrikill is constantly killing the germs itself. So once a month, the first of every month, spray, not heavily, just mist both sides of that filter, and you're going to continue to kill the germs. Keep you healthy, keep your house healthy, keep your family healthy. So use Bactrikill in combination with changing your filter every month. You're going to be happy, we're going to be happy. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you with our next tip of the day.